Long ago it was discovered, oxtail love became uncovered. In Jamaica where we gather, flavors blend, we don't bother. Elite Jamaica, feel the vibe, I'll show you where it thrives. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oxtail roots from down below, watch our channel then you know. Cows that roam, tail became a dish at home. Families gathered around the fire, cooking slow, heart's desire. Elite Jamaica, feel the vibe, I'll show you where it thrives.
Have you ever wondered about the origins of the food on your plate? Now, take oxtail for instance, a dish beloved by many, but understood by few. So, what exactly is oxtail? And how did this once overlooked cut of meat rise from obscurity to become a global delicacy? Is there more to its story than meets the eye? Before you take another bite, let's unravel the mystery surrounding oxtail. Now join me on a journey that crosses continents and cultures as we delve into the fascinating history of this savory, succulent dish. But be warned, what you discover might just change the way you see this humble yet extraordinary ingredient. If you find videos like these interesting, please give this video a thumbs up. A culinary journey across cultures. Oxtail might seem like just another cut of meat, but its significance in global cuisine is anything but ordinary. From the bustling markets of Jamaica to the cozy kitchens of Europe, oxtail has found its way into the hearts and stomachs of people everywhere. This humble cut has traveled across continents and centuries, becoming a staple in dishes that range from rich stews to comforting soups. In each culture, oxtail has been given a unique twist, reflecting the local flavors and culinary traditions that make it so special. The versatile delight of oxtail dishes. In many parts of the world, oxtail is synonymous with comfort food. Its bony, gelatinous texture makes it perfect for slow cooking, allowing the meat to become tender and infuse dishes with a deep, savory flavor. In Jamaican cuisine, oxtail is often paired with broad beans and spices, creating a stew that's both hearty and full of character. In European kitchens, it might be simmered in a rich broth with vegetables, turning into a warming soup that has been enjoyed for generations. Across Asia, oxtail might be found in hot pots or braised dishes, where its unique texture and flavor add a depth to the meal. From humble beginnings to a gourmet ingredient. Interestingly, oxtail wasn't always the sought-after ingredient it is today. For a long time, it was considered a lesser cut of meat, often used by those who needed to stretch their resources. In fact, its popularity in certain cuisines can be traced back to the times when people had to make the most of every part of the animal, practicing what we now call nose-to-tail eating. But what was once considered a humble dish has risen to prominence, now found on the menus of high-end restaurants and gourmet kitchens around the world. The transformation of oxtail from a frugal necessity to a celebrated delicacy is a testament to the creativity and resilience of the cooks who first turned it into something special. The cultural significance of oxtail. Oxtail's journey through time is deeply intertwined with the histories and cultures of the people who have made it their own. In Jamaica, for example, oxtail has become more than just a dish. It's a symbol of the island's rich culinary heritage, a connection to its African roots, and a reminder of the resourcefulness that has always been a part of Jamaican life. The spices and techniques used in Jamaican oxtail stew tell a story of cultural fusion, blending flavors from Africa, Europe, and the Caribbean into something uniquely Jamaican. Similarly, in other cultures, oxtail dishes carry their own meanings and traditions, each one a reflection of the people who cherish them. So, where does oxtail really come from? Before we get to that, let me get the ads out of the way. I'll be back shortly.
Experience the ultimate entertainment with our premium IPTV services in Jamaica. Enjoy instant access to over 17,000 live TV channels, including popular local channels like TVJ and CVM, as well as a wide range of international HD, UHD, and 4K channels. Whether you are a fan of news, sports, movies, or TV series, our service offers an unparalleled viewing experience. Dive into a vast library of over 50,000 of the latest movies and TV series in stunning 4K and HD quality. Our user-friendly platform ensures you never miss a moment of your favorite shows, providing a seamless and high-quality streaming experience. Elevate your home entertainment with the best IPTV service in Jamaica, bringing you closer to the content you love, anytime, anywhere. Join thousands of satisfied customers and transform the way you watch TV today.
And guys, remember you can try this for free, or you can receive 75% off when you use the code ELITEJA. Alright, the links will be in the description and in the comment section. Alright, back to the video. So, after all this, where does oxtail actually come from? And how did it become such a beloved dish across the world? The answer lies in a history as rich and complex as the flavors it brings to the table. Oxtail, as the name suggests, is indeed the tail of cattle, whether it be an ox, cow, or steer. But its culinary journey begins long before it was a gourmet delicacy. The practice of eating oxtail can be traced back to the resourceful traditions of European peasant communities in the Middle Ages. During these times, no part of the animal was wasted, as people sought to make the most of every available resource. This concept, known as nose-to-tail eating, meant that every part of the animal, including the tail, was utilized. Oxtail was often slow-cooked to tenderize the tough meat and to extract the rich gelatinous marrow from the bones, resulting in hearty stews and soups that could feed many on a limited budget. The popularity of oxtail spread as these practices were carried across Europe, particularly to the British Isles, where it became a staple in traditional dishes. The tradition then traveled across the Atlantic with enslaved Africans, who brought their cooking techniques and flavors to the Caribbean. In Jamaica, oxtail became a symbol of resilience and creativity, transforming what was once considered a lesser cut into a national delicacy, often served with rice and peas. Over time, oxtail began to appear in various cuisines around the world, from the aromatic stews of South America to the savory soups of Asia. Its rise from a frugal necessity to a celebrated ingredient is a testament to the ingenuity of the cultures that embraced it. Today, oxtail is more than just a cut of meat. It's a piece of culinary history that has been passed down through generations, each adding their own unique flavor to its legacy. So the next time you savor a plate of oxtail, remember that you are not just enjoying a meal. You are partaking in a tradition that has spanned centuries and continents. If you found this video interesting or informative, or if you learned something today, give the video a thumbs up. Or you can leave your feedback in the comment section down below. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, please do so, because you'll miss out on a lot. Anyway, until we meet again here on Elite Jamaica, just want to say thank you for watching. Stay blessed.
Long ago it was discovered, oxtail love became uncovered. In Jamaica where we gather, Flavors blend, we don't bother. Elite Jamaica, feel the vibe. Alex show you where it thrives. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oxtail roots from down below. Watch our channel, then you know. Ooh, 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 ooh. In the fields, cows that roam. Tail became a dish at home. Families gathered around the fire. Cooking slow, heart's desire. Elite Jamaica, feel the vibe. Alex show you where it thrives. On an island in the sun, history bright shining young. Alex tell of days gone by. Elite Jamaica reach for sky. Reggae beats with stories true. Culture rich in every view. From the hills to ocean blue, Alex shows us something new. Elite Jamaica, land so bright, under moon and stars at night. Through the day we find the light, with Alex